Welcome back to the Crypto Airdrop channel. Today, I'm introducing a completely free airdrop program from a highly promising project. Make sure to watch the video until the end to get more details and learn how to participate in this airdrop. Before diving into the exciting content, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to support the team. The project I'm introducing today is Midas, which focuses on real-world assets and DeFi. The project has already raised $13.75 million in funding across 2 rounds, seed and grant. In the seed round, Midas secured nearly $9 million from investors such as Coinbase Ventures, Framework Ventures, Hack VC, Sixth Man Ventures, Block Tower Capital, HV Capital, and several others. In the grant round, they received $5 million in funding from Oasis. Currently, Midas is offering an airdrop for participants. To join, you'll need to complete 2 steps: participating in their mini app on Telegram and Roles server on Discord. Below, I'll guide you through these steps. Step 1. Join the mini app on Telegram. Access the link I've included in the video description. Once inside the Midas mini app, switch to the Tasks tab to start completing the missions. These include tasks like on-chain activities, social engagement, farming, and more. Complete all the tasks listed in the mini app. After finishing, proceed to Step 2 to complete the tasks on Discord. Step 2. Complete tasks on Discord. 1. Access Discord using the link provided in the video description. Two. Find the Verify tab and click Start Verification. Choose an option for verification. For instance, I initially chose option 4, but it failed. I retried with option 1, and it worked successfully. Three. Next, go to the Roles tab and click the provided link. Here, you'll need to sign in. Select your wallet. I chose MetaMask. Connect it. Verify the wallet. And confirm. Once the wallet is connected, click Join Guild. You'll need to verify your Twitter and Discord accounts. After successful verification, select Check Access to join. Congratulations! You're now eligible to receive the project's airdrop. Additional tasks. If you have financial resources, You can participate in additional tasks from the project. To do this, 1. Deposit funds into your wallet. 2. Return to the Midas Discord server and select official link. 3. Here, you can perform swaps for the project's tokens. I've just introduced and guided you through the process of participating in the Midas project's airdrop. I hope this helps you earn significant rewards from the project. Best of luck and success. This concludes my video. If you found it useful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel to discover more promising projects in the future. Thank you for watching.